But how can you differentiate between distance and displacement? To understand what distance and displacement are, let us take an example. If you see the diagram to my left, you will find a curved line drawn between points A and B. A dotted line is represented with S and a red arrow represented with D. So, what does this diagram show? You can take different paths starting from point A to point B. Let's say you start from point A and move all along the curve to point B. This is the distance from A to B. The dotted curved path in the diagram shows distance. But you can also directly go from point A to point B in a short straight path. This is the displacement. It is shown with the red arrow directed from A to B. Basically, distance is a path that is covered by the body from point A to point B. Distance can be any path taken from point A to point B. It can be the dotted one or it can be the path not shown in the diagram. Therefore, it means that distance is the length of path between the points. That is the reason it has no specific direction and therefore it is a scalar quantity. Displacement, on the other hand, is a vector quantity. That is the shortest distance between 2 points or a straight line. Displacement is shown with the straight red line and has a proper direction from point A to point B, and that is why it is a vector quantity. So, what is the proper definition of displacement? The shortest distance covered between 2 points is called displacement. It has both the magnitude and a specific direction, as in this case. Displacement is directed from point A to point B. Therefore, displacement is a vector quantity. In the diagram on my left, the displacement is shown with a red line, whereas distance is shown with a curved line. This is all about distance and displacement for now. Now that you have understood this, let's move on further. First of all, remember that the units of both distance and displacement are the same. Their units are kilometer, meter, inches and feet. There are other units as well. There is an international system of units used worldwide. It is represented as SI. The SI unit of distance and displacement is a meter. I hope you understand what distance and displacement are. In the next video, we will discuss some other terms associated with motion. Thank you for watching.